This appeal has been filed by Dharmender Singh alias Sonu against the judgment and order dated 29/3/2011 passed by the learned additional sessions judge bracketed ad hoc fast track court Hoshiarpur, whereby the appellant has been convicted for the offence punishable under section 395 read with section 397 of the Indian Penal Code IPC stop by a separate order passed on the same day. He has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 7 years, besides pay a fine of rupees 5,000 for the offence under section 395 read with section 397 IPC stop para. The FIR exhibit PD over 1 has been registered on the statement of Bansilal, cashier of the sugar mill at Mukeria stop. The complainant stated that he was working as a cashier at the Amit Kanchi sugar mill Mukeria stop. The previous night, that is on 30/11/2004 at 12:06 p.m., I attest the accuracy and integrity of this document. High Court, Chandigarh, on duty in the shift from 12 midnight till 8 a.m. with Mukhtar Singh, an assistant, and Seva Singh, a guard, stop at about 2 to 2:30 p.m. oblique a.m. At the dawn of the day, he sent the guard for getting tea from the canteen stop. The guard, while leaving, bolted the cash cabin from outside stop. Bansilal complainant was about to bolt the cash cabin from inside, and at that time, all of a sudden, three young men in the age of group of about 20 to 25 years, wearing caps on their head with trimmed beards, and one of them clean shaven and of medium height, speaking in Punjabi, stormed into the cabin stop. On getting in the cabin, two of them held their revolvers towards the complainant and the assistant stop. They, in a forceful voice, threatened them to remain quiet stop. The third person cut off the telephone cables and opened the trunk which was lying there and containing cash stop. They put cash amount of about rupees 10 lakhs in a white color bag lying nearby. After taking it out from the trunk stop, they further held out threats for not raising an alarm or else they would be killed stop. After robbing the cash, they ran out stop. The complainant Bansilal and Mukhtar Singh, assistant, raised an alarm that a robbery had been committed stop. On this, other workers of the mill and the farmers who had come there and were standing for collecting payment, and the security guards chased the culprits, but it was quite dark at that time stop. On an alert being sent, all the outer gates of the mill were closed by the security guards stop. The complainant and Mukhtar Singh, assistant, then informed Shri Kumar oblique Anil Kumar Sharma, personal manager of mill Amit Kanchi stop. A heavy force rushed to the police spot immediately, and after cordoning the mill from all sides with the help of the complainant side, started a search of the mill stop. The statement of the complainant was recorded by SI Swaran Singh, SHO of police station Mukeria stop. It was signed by Bansilal, complainant, in English, and he asked for action being taken stop. Police proceedings were recorded by SHO Swaran Singh at 5:10 a.m. on 1/12/2004 stop, which were to the effect that he was present at the police station and DSP Mukeria informed him on telephone that payment for the sugarcane produced was being disbursed at the sugar mill, Mukeria, and in the office of robbery had been committed. Stop. He was asked to immediately reach there along with a heavy force and cordon the mill from all sides, and a search of the sugar mill yard be started because it had been searched. Stop.